Guys, I'm going to go over some trades so you guys can kind of take a look at what we do differently. I know there's a lot of people out there trying to teach breakout strategies, and so let me show you what we do differently. All right, first of all, what I'm going to do, and by the way, these were massive winners that ran deep into profit last night, and so therefore a lot of people were still buying because of the news that came out about the tariffs and this and that. Hey, there was a freeze on the tariffs and blah, 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 blah. People were buying, and people were assuming that the market was going to keep going. I knew differently. Okay. And this is what I teach in our Futrix class, where you're trading live with us, looking over my shoulder while I'm taking, or the beautiful Miss Jenny. Either one of us are going to be coaching and explaining what we're looking at, and you're looking live over our shoulder while we're taking trades. So this is in a live setting. We have the New York session and the Asian session. Let me go over this so you guys can see. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the charts off. Okay, indicators come off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the higher time frame. Okay, nothing more than a head and shoulders pattern from the higher time frame. If you don't know what that is, everyone has two things in common. Okay, every person on the planet has two basic things in common, and they have a head and two shoulders. Okay, a head and two shoulders, and sometimes the shoulders are even, sometimes the shoulders are lopsided a bit. Okay, so as you can see right here, here's the head. Right here is the shoulder. Here's over here another shoulder. So what do we see on the higher time frames that would give us a clue that if we drop down to the 5-minute time frame or whatever time frame floats your boat for entries for a breakout strategy, which one would you actually have chosen now that I'm showing you this? And this is what needs to be done before we slap indicators on our charts and start taking trades. We have to take the time to know I need to take a look at the higher time frames and be able to be coached through the process of doing a proper analysis through a good coach. And that's where Coach Jenny or myself comes in, because when we're trading, we're not just taking trades, we're actually explaining to you what trades we're looking at and why. And this will cause your success rate to skyrocket with a group of traders led by good seasoned veterans who's been in the market for years versus somebody just selling you an indicator and you're on your own. So now let's take a look at this trade. And now I'm going to put the indicator back, and you can clearly see why this was a smash hit. And this one did the same, and this one did the same, and this one did the same thing. Do you get it now? So this is what separates us. So again, I look forward to working with you guys in Futrix. Miss Jenny is going to be working with you in Futrix. And you can see, look, this is live. This is happening as we speak. You can see that the candle is literally still moving. Look at this. You see it's still dropping? That could have been you. All right, you guys, I'll see you inside Futrix.